Hello folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy, right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. We're going to talk today about how to keep those reblooming shrubs reblooming. These plants, a lot of our plants that we say bloom all summer long, they do bloom all summer long, but it's not the same bloom. The bloom that comes on in the spring fades away and dies and new blooms come on. That's how it blooms all summer. So we have to do a little work. Once that bloom starts to die, once that has always completely gone away, you have to pinch that off, leaving room for the new bud to come up and bloom. So this will bloom all summer long, just not on the same bloom. So sometimes we have to help it. Like right now, you can start deadheading those knockout roses, those reblooming hydrangeas, those reblooming butterfly bush. All of those things will rebloom by themselves, but if you help it, they're going to do it faster and more. So this is Greg, your friendly garden guy, saying get out there, deadhead those reblooming shrubs and get your hands dirty. It's good for you.